people, welcome to Politricks Watch. This is SH0T. Now today I'm going to be talking about the incident that took place in Florida. Now of course we're going to cover foreign things, but it involved Jamaicans. It involved youths from Mobay. You know that guy already. We're hearing reports that a youth of them called Pinky, a member of the SH0T gang, known 87, pick up some rounds and he never stopped this, so because you know how Badness already. Unfortunately, we're hearing say even him little baby is no longer alive. Him baby mother is also no longer alive. I'm giving you the background to who Pinky is. I'm also going to play a clip from Pinky's the baby mother's mother, who basically I call out the 87 who she blamed for all of this. But before we go any further, there's another loss that we have to talk about. This one is internal. This one is coming from a long-time supporter, Patreon squad. None other than a Mr. Radley Bennett. Radley Bennett, as his family can tell you, was somebody who make it known that he supported the movement. This is a man who, as he make up a morning time, just like a lot of people, him have him device ready and him a tune in. He lost a very long battle, put up him best, but you know it got ready. Illness not sparing a man. The bigger C take him from you and take it from him family. And when you hear me talk about bigger C, you know you have big C, which is the COVID, and you have the bigger C, which is the cancer. I know nowadays nobody not talk about cancer again because it look like say, that's not a trending topic, Like people almost forget say, that other monster is still out there. So rest in peace to Mr. Radley Bennett, and I hope his entire family find some comfort in these troubling times. Them to time of the master and time heal everything, but I say stay strong as best as they can. His wife, big up yourself, the whole family, the one stars, everybody, bless up. Now let me get into the video. Pinky, Mobay youth, known member of the SH0T gang. So he's at 87. Matter of fact, if you go up on him IG profile, he make it known say my 87, he make it know who him support. It's up on your screen. As you can see, him now have no picks up. I don't know if somebody remove them after what happened to him or him take them down before, but the same page. SH0T have your heart. Dan Carly, you see the emoji with the love. You got hear who Carly is in a minute because I'm going to play a clip from him baby mother's mother, which would be like, I guess you could say his mother-in-law. Then at the bottom you see one Dan G-Man. And in case you're wondering for the same G-Man, who are the brother of one of your artists them, Squash, yes, him same man. G-Man was a known 87, he's now deceased, but the man them still rate him same way, them still see him as them done. SH0T, G-Man, them two names there are forever entwined. So anybody will rate SH0T, I go rate G-Man. As for the Carly, well, you're going to hear who Carly is now. Let me play the clip from his mother-in-law. Check this out.
You kill me today when you kill Carla Shay and Carly.
So as you just heard, Carla Shay and Carly, that's her daughter, the lady who I speak as Fia's daughter, and our granddaughter. Carly is our granddaughter and also Pinky's daughter. So she talked directly to the man where she's responsible for this. Listen up.
You kill me today when you did this to them. You're in their house, you have Carly by your hip every day. They play with Carly. Bring Carly, go store. Me send the money, say, buy call your ice cream and you shoot them up like this.
So as you hear, the victims are known to the shooter. And basically what she say is that them provide shelter, food and shelter for the youth who end up to this, to Pinky, in baby mother and in baby. Now the youth who she talk about is also known 87. Now, just so make things clear, obviously it goes without saying, rest in peace to that baby, right? Who obviously not deserve none of this. Right? Now nothing to do with the madness, baby no pick and choose which family they want born into and what their mother and what their father. But me have to say this. Essentially what this mother is saying is that them harbor and shelter a criminal, a gunman. Right? And then now she's in complete shock, so the gunman turned film gun upon them. That is exactly why I hear this. This was not somebody who, this was not the local humanitarian. Pinky at 87, the youth at 87, the two of them link. Tell people all the time, stop harboring criminals because it don't take nothing for them to switch on you. Not because his previous victims now nothing to do with you. It don't take much for the tables turn. The logic don't make no sense to me now. If a man is a rapeable, if me hear some man have 15 victims, my rapeable, that man can't come nowhere near me and no woman in my family. None. Me no business if him no strike yes or yet, he can't come round me. The idea is me I go harbor a rapeable. And then one day, me go come on my ear say, rapeable, strike. And somebody in my family. And then me know I go jump up and say, look how I make you food. Look how I make you shelter. That man is a rapeable. This youth is a gunman. He's a criminal. They kill. It's just that this time, him kill somebody we care about. It's just that this time, he's not just closer to home, but literally in your home. He would have made many people bawl, like how you are bawl now. He would have made enough people feel how you are feel now. I understand say she in the morning for her daughter and her granddaughter. But it's a bad man thing. This is a bad man world. There is no play. There is no second chances and reason it out and make us sit down and talk and use dialogue. In a bad man world, bad man settle issues with violence. Saying that him did have the baby and him walk on the baby and look after and how them know him. Alright, but it's like the story of, I remember the animal, I think it was a snake. A snake was injured. Man see the snake, take up the snake, right, heal the snake, bring it back to perfect health. And as him turn around, the snake bite him. And as him go dead, him ask the snake, dog, how you do that to me? After me do, why you still by me even though me help you? Right. The snake look on him and say, brother, I'm a snake. This is what snakes do. In them nature, using the same rapeable example, it's in them nature, gunman, that's in them nature. Just because him not shoot you yet, I'm not shoot people where you know and care about, not make him no less of a killer, no less of a gunman. I'm telling them about badness. Badness is ugly. Badness is ugly. Pinky, who would that be? Let's just call it Fear son-in-law. That youth a straight shooter, long track record, enough woman, enough mothers, he made make ball too. So we can sit down and go on like, we don't know how something like this could happen, or we don't know how it could come to this, or we can be realistic. If me have a thief in my yard and him thief something, well, that's to me. That's it, then you say the man a thief and you carry the man coming in your yard and come left for the thing. If you use, if me carry a pebble in my yard and then go trouble somebody, you say, well, you say the man a pebble and still carry my family. So if you carry a gunman and kill him in the yard, and a gunman a carry baby pants, and oh, at least one of us now, and the man turn around and keep it. Obviously, me not say. Our daughter and surely not the baby deserve none of this. But let's cut the crap. We know how this play out. Even though we don't know the exact motive, me and people are still kind of things, because in case you're not aware, if you can remember a story where me cover further up, in 2021, early 2021, me shot a man off one bike. You know, Walter and bad breed, foolishness, and then retaliation go on, and you know, all granny lose her life. Remember that story there? Well, this youth, Pinky, he is the son of the brother where them shot off at the bike. So originally people are saying, well, oh, that means the retaliation now, because remember, there was retaliation for the man who shot off at the bike, which is Pinky father. Right? Then next thing the man them strike back, Walter and bad breed, granny lose her life. The man has to, well, this no retaliation for him to the granny. This nobody knows for sure. The mother go tell you, right, according to this is for your motive as to why, right, the youth shoot them. Listen now.
Just for them things. And you thought everybody was dead, but you got it wrong. Do John Griffiths know say me dead? So anything will happen.
No, let me just put this out there. The fact that even the baby get caught up in this show me say this much deeper than just feel them things. Whatever feel them things mean. This sound much deeper. And especially considering which part them I come from in Jamaica, how the place are run. The youth where she has said the shooting in come from Gulf. And because some little incidents play out in the area where they, right, naturally people who are from that side of Mobay are speculate say, you know, maybe a program run from Jamaica. Right? But I do speculation right now, nothing for certain. But here we go on. 2 men from G-City. Youth named Fred, next youth named Marvin. Senior members of the G-City gang. Fred beat up Marvin. Right? We don't know it guy already. Ego, right? Pride and everything there. Man have to maintain a reputation in a quote unquote bad man place. Marvin retaliate, catch Fred, right? Pick up a couple, you know, injuries, but nothing life threatening. Fred now, because what happened to him, decided say nah go so. So you see the tit for tat foolishness. So man they make a step. Marvin end up pick up some rounds. Pure madness. So because that I go on and Gulf man them involved in that. And then this youth from Gulf go pull this off. People are try put 1 and 2 to see if it make 3. But as I say, as it stands right now, a pure speculation as to what caused this to happen to Pinky, right, and his family. But what isn't speculation is what play out in a Mobay, because it look like the place is at boiling point, and any minute now the pot cover will go fly off, and as usual innocent people will get hurt. Right. Now that G-City man them split up, internal feud, you know that it will get ugly. Mobay was already divided. Right. So now G-City split, and this situation might get real ugly, especially if it turns out say the operation was planned from Jamaica, because I say this youth at G-City, right, you tell them say them come from Gulf, G-City split. When you see why Mobay people must say that might have something to do with it, but we're not 100% sure yet. Either way, whatever the motive may be, before Mobay get out of hand, before Mobay go back to the dark days, and people start drop like fly, many of whom now nothing to do with the badness. If we get proactive, this Sunday, 8:30 Jamaica time, there's going to be a video where you don't want to miss. Now you know anytime I give advance warning about a video, you know say a serious thing. This video is long overdue. Sunday morning, 8:30 a.m. I want the violence producers them in Jamaica. The man them where I've never even heard them name call. The man will probably get comfortable and think so, well, look like say, man like we, out of the reach. Want all on the tune in. Because one on I will get dragged out of the dark. And from that day forward, things will never be the same for you. And I know the little kerosene them, the little corrupt police them and 87 them and the bagger, batty followers them on have back on gassing up and telling us say, I only run the ground. The city belong to you, the parish belong to you, Jamaica belong to you. When you can just take life as in the police cause I wanna blow breath in a man. And then nothing now come out of it because I have a couple links down the road. You can buy out couple 87. Have couple look at Hungry Belly, corrupt cops round them now. Feel untouchable, start to feel like say I wanna name Joaquin Guzman. Start to feel like say now Pablo Escobar. Well, we're gonna put it to the test. We're gonna put it to the test. Sunday, don't miss it. Patreon squad, big up on yourself. PIA, you don't know, more life. Vulture squad, stay circling. Bless.